Hello, let's see how to create calculations in the one-click survey application. We will show a simple example of using calculations, advanced calculation options, and how to display the result of the calculation to the respondent in the survey. Let's look at a simple example of calculating savings based on income and expenses. Before adding calculation, we insert questions Q1, enter your average monthly income in euros, and Q2, enter your average monthly expenses in euros. The questions must be of the numeric input type. Then we add calculation, which is found among all question types. A new window for calculation editing opens. We want to calculate the average monthly savings, so we would subtract from the average monthly income, which was asked in question Q1, average monthly expenses, question Q2. The calculation equation is displayed on the upper left. When we're done, we click Confirm. Calculation results are displayed in a data table, statistical analyses, charts, and are also exported when exporting data. New variables can be added to the calculation by adding a calculation operation. Variables can be moved with the arrows signs and deleted by clicking on the trash can. Brackets can be added to equations as well. We can also add numbers to calculations. For example, if we would like to calculate the age from the respondent's year of birth, we select Number in the drop-down menu, enter the year, select minus, and the variable for the year of birth. 2. Let's look at how to display the result of the calculation to the respondent in the survey. We want the respondent to see his average monthly savings at the end of the survey. After the calculation, we add a question of the label type. There must be a page break between the calculation and the label question type. We enter the text, your average monthly savings is #C1, #Euro in the label question type. We must enter the name of the calculation between the hashtag characters, in our case C1. In this way, the calculation value is transferred to the text that will be visible to the respondent. Let's see how the text will be displayed to the respondent. This was a display of creating calculations in one-click survey.